today we'll make a short video showing you guys how to use the IDX 2000S. This is a follow-up with the unboxing that we've made. So, once you plug the induction cooker in the outlet, you'll see this blinking lights, meaning it has been plugged. Then you turn it on. When you turn it on, it says on the display on. And then press function. Okay. You'll see a red light here in W. W means wattage. So the maximum watts is 2000. Press the minus sign. If you want to lessen it, it's 1800, 15, 13, 1100, 800, 500, 200. That's the minimum. So it's pretty straightforward. If you want to add up the wattage, just press the plus sign. Okay, and then if you press function, the red light will go to degrees centigrade, meaning this one is the temperature. So the maximum temperature is 240 degrees. You can lessen it to 220, 200, 180, 160, 130, 100, and 80. That's the minimum temperature. And then you can use again the plus sign if you want to increase the temperature. So again, function, wattage, and temperature. If you want to use the timer, you can press this one. The red light will turn on under T. You can set the time 3 minutes. It's R and the minutes. 2 minutes. You want to set it for an hour. It's 1 hour. And then we have this child lock feature. Ay, hinaan natin. Lumalakas na siya. Okay. This one is the child lock feature. All you need to do is long press this one. LOC will light up, meaning it's locked. You won't be able to press any key. If you want to have it unlocked, just press again, long press again the lock key. And then if you want to turn it off, you could do so by pressing on and off. So basically that's it, how you use the touchpad of the IDX 2000S.